Get the facts about the mobility needs near your project with SACOG's Project Performance Assessment tool. In just a few minutes, using just your browser, you'll have a PDF report emailed to you full of descriptive statistics about the transportation needs around your project. Let's open the tool and check out the different layers and forms you need to use. There are a number of new layers that are available in the tool this year, including the 2025 Federal Functional Classification System. For this demonstration, I've zoomed into Arden Way, where you can see that as long as there's color, that they'll be eligible for road rehabilitation dollars. Another new layer is the pavement condition index from Street Safer data. Around Arden Way, we can see that if you click here, you can see that this segment currently has a PCI of 57. We've also added in the average annual daily traffic volumes from 2024 using replica data. Quick peek at roadways around here. It's about 17,000 ADT on one road segment. We're headed out of town, almost 18,000. For this demo, we'll round it up to 40,000 for both directions. Now we can leave these layers on to begin drawing our project. If you go back to Home, you'll choose the Federal Funding Program reports. You have two choices for a non-freeway or freeway investment. Most of you will be choosing the non-freeway investment. Next, we'll be drawing our project lines. Let's go ahead and zoom back in to Arden Way. And we'll start by drawing a project line. By clicking the Draw Line button, you'll get a cursor. Each time you click, you'll be drawing a new part of that line segment. Double-click to finish your drawing. Next, you'll name your project, along with your jurisdiction. Then select your federal funding program you'll be applying for. For this one, we'll select System Performance Program. Next, these aren't choices, but just showing you if it's not a non-freeway investment or the performance outcomes. These are all on by default to make it easier to use this form. Next, you'll enter your email and then confirm it. And then we'll add in the ADT. We'll assume about 40,000 for Arden Way here. I checked in advance and the speed limit is posted at 40 miles an hour, and we saw that the PCI was about 57. And then run the program. You'll get this message that your report has been submitted. You'll shortly get an email that looks like this to confirm your request for a PPA report. And about 5 to 10 minutes later, you should get a PDF report emailed to you. This PDF will look like this. You'll see your drawn project map, along with a bit of basic information about your project. In further videos, we'll show you how to use the tool's different charts and tables showing you each program's objective, along with the PPA tool metric group and specific metrics that it's going to list about your projects, along with typical project elements that are supportive of addressing those needs.